Today I'll be doing a brutally honest review on cosmetic product for the first time. So today I'll be reviewing on the face compact and the mascara. Artistry is famous on its skincare, but I'm not sure about the cosmetic compared to Too Faced, Tarte. Artistry has a normal packaging, not that gorgeous. So never mind, let's start it. So once you open it, the first layer is the green and the purple. It's for concealing your redness and pimple and also dark spots. And this one is light medium. It's for color correcting. So you can see my face. I have this uneven skin tone and some redness. What I'm going to use is with my hand, with my finger. They actually provide a sponge here. I'm going to use the green one to hide my pimple scar. Okay, since I've covered it with the green cream, I call it the green cream because I don't know what is this called. Then I will just apply the light medium on the green cream. Let's see how it's the coverage. Oh, okay. It seems not bad. Does it cover my face? Yeah, actually did quite a good job. Can you see? Let's try this one. This one is very red. Let's try if it's give a good coverage. Oh my god. What is this? Let's try to cover it. This one also. Right, any other place here? I have some uneven skin tone right here, and here also. Okay, I cover it with the green cream. Let's start cover it with light medium. Actually look not bad, right? Actually it works even better if you use your fingers to apply on the redness. At first I used this sponge and it doesn't work, and I was like, what? And I asked my friend on this cause she used it and she said it's good. She told me to use finger, so I tried it. Actually works quite well. I'm surprised. Artistry, not bad. Okay, I'm done with my cheek covered. And I can tell you this is very lightweight. You don't feel cakey at all and thick and oily or something. It's very lightweight, I tell you, and very comfortable. Your skin still breathes because you doesn't apply like a thick foundation. I didn't apply any foundation, I just straight apply this one. It's actually quite amazing. Okay, let's try the purple one. Let's try. You can apply it on the areas that you want to make it brighter, just like your cheek or your forehead. For me, I have dark circles, so I'm going to apply under my eyes. Okay, after I applied it, I'm going to cover with the light medium. Whoa, okay. It actually covers my dark circle. Can you see? It actually helped me brighten up my dark circles. Like, yeah, actually not bad. Okay, I'm going to cover my other areas, so I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back with my look after I touch up my redness under my nose and my chin. Yes, I can say this face compact is quite impressive. Over 10, I will give it a 7, and because it's not a full coverage. It corrects and perfect my face. No, actually it corrects my skin tone, but perfect. It's not perfect because as you can see, I have a pimple bump here. I have a pimple bump, it doesn't cover fully, so I give it a 7. Overall, I quite like this product as it is very lightweight. It's not cakey and it looks very natural. Yeah. I'm going to be back with my eyeshadow, and then after that I'll be doing the review on Artistry mascara. Same series, is a Tokyo edition. I think the blue one. Brown one is just like everywhere you can see it's a brown mascara. It's like 2 normal mix. So I'll be back. Stay tuned. I'm back with my eyes. And now I'm going to continue on reviewing this mascara. It's called the Artistry Studio Tokyo Edition Oh-so-Colourful Mascara. Wow. It is so blue. What am I going to do right now is, before I apply this mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes in using Tarte Limited Editions Eye Curler. I'm going to curl my right eye. Alright. Can't you tell? Is it blue? No. I didn't see any blue. You see blue? Now, actually if you look close enough, actually there's a little bit blue. It is not that obvious, like wow, bright blue color. No. If you want to make your blue pop even more, you have to apply this base mascara. It's called the Mascara Base Primer. This is actually not under the Tokyo series, this is the Bangkok series. Yeah, a white mascara. Let's try. This eye had already applied the blue one without the base primer. To apply the other eye with this. Okay, now I'm going to apply the blue one. Can you even tell? You can see actually there is blue color right here. This eye is with the primer, this one is without. Maybe I'll lift my eyes a bit, can you see? Overall, I can give this blue a rating of 5/10. The color pop's not really what I would expect. After applying the mascara, it doesn't make my eyes stays like this, and also it actually make my eyelash droop. Let's try to curl it once again to see whether it does curl or not. Oh, I hate my eyelashes. I don't have much eyelashes. Okay, and I applied again. Okay, actually the second time it works. From my mirror I can tell it got a bit curl, and I think it's starting to droop right now. Okay, this eye I'm going to apply the second coat. I hope it doesn't droop. Okay. Okay, eventually the color popped even more. For me personally, I think the one with the base primer is prettier. For some of you guys out there using this one have no this kind of problem, but I have experienced this, so it's quite frustrating right now. Is it okay? It's still wet, it doesn't dry yet, so I'm going to leave it until it dries and I curl it again. Finger crossed, please make it work. Second option, I'm going to apply fake lashes so that you guys can see better. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back with my eyelashes. I'm using Nikkia Joy Cosmetic-Lashes. I don't know what lash is this, but this definitely looks natural. From what I can see here, both shows quite gorgeous blue. Wow, I'm amazed. I don't have much lashes on my eye. That's why I applied fake lashes. It actually looks natural, not that blue like a creepy blue. This and this definitely is a great combination. Compare with the one without the base primer, both look similar. Yeah, I think this one is not necessary unless without fake lashes. Without fake lashes, I think you really need this one. So guys, that's all for my video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and of course subscribe button down below. What type of video that you guys prefer, please comment down below on the comment section, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. I fell into a ring of fire.